want to do a quick review of my favorite aluminum phone stand.
This is what it looks like. I absolutely love it for several reasons. One, I was looking for something on my desk that I can leave here permanently. That, of course, is compatible with all of my Apple products that have the magnet on the back. But I wanted it to be super minimal. I wanted it to look aesthetically pleasing as it sits on my desk while not in use. And this thing, in my opinion, does just that. Here is a side view of it. As you can see, the design is really sleek. Of course, it has the charger that runs on a short cable. I'm actually running that to my smart desk, which is really nice. You could run that to any of your favorite wall mounts as well. I just happen to run it that way, so it's super, super easy. Because of the magnet, it will work on your phone, and it's really strong. It will also work with other devices that have the same magnet feature. So let me do this one-handed. It does work like that, and you can actually hear it let you know that it's charging. This happens to be fully charged with my AirPods, which is really nice. So I also will use this for recording if I'm in a pinch on my desk. And so I can turn it up, I can turn it back down, just like that. Once again, I apologize as I'm doing this one-handed. It will also work in portrait and landscape as well. I highly recommend this. I love it. I get compliments on it a lot. I've had it now for well over a year, maybe even 2 years. It gets used every single day. Zero issues with it. I know you guys will like it as well.